Hello everyone! Welcome to Incredible Moments Caught on Camera, the series that showcases extraordinary moments captured on film. Get ready for a thrilling journey through incredible moments caught on camera. Let's get it on! The teacher instructs the students on how to handle a situation when they have a gun pointed at their back. However, in the reenactment, the clever student surprises the teacher, leaving them momentarily stunned. The guy below thought he could maintain balance for it with his hand, but it wasn't as simple as he had imagined. Uh-oh! How can he climb the mountain so effortlessly? Is it possible that gravity has forgotten about him? Just one question. Why didn't she get out through the passenger seat right away? Truly, the extraordinary capabilities of human beings are far from simple. After watching this video, I genuinely realized that the potential of humans is limitless. She kept thinking that she was being bothered by the bear. Little did she know that she was the one bothering the bear. Now take a look at the launch of Starship from SpaceX Spaceports in Texas. This truly is a beautiful sight in the ocean, one that we rarely get to see. Spider-Man is indeed fortunate not to experience situations like this when he removes his suit. One significant lesson we learned from this is not to act like the girl in this video if you don't want to face a disastrous outcome like she did. While competing in a boxing match, the guy completely forgot about his opponent and mistook the referee for his adversary. As a result, he was swiftly knocked out, ending the match in such a funny way.